Hello friends, so today we are going to see the upcoming South Korean drama which is going to be released in August 2020. Today I am going to tell you the total 6 dramas. On number 6 we have Parental Care. The Parental Care is a South Korean drama. There will be total 8 episodes. It is a comedy drama about a career woman in her 40 age. Her name is Oh Yoon Jin, and this drama tells the story of this woman adjusting to the childbirth, and she is the youngest executive at her company. She gives the birth to the baby and stays at the parental care center. She is the oldest guest at the center from the mother and their newborn babies. While staying here, she meets another woman, and her name is Yoon Jon Jung, and they become the friends, and their relationship build up day by day. And this is a very comedy drama you will come to know, and this is going to be released in August 2020. Also there is a other character which will be the very funny character, and their life will be very funny to watch. So this will be the on number 6. On number 5 we have Luca. The Luca is also a South Korean drama which is going to be released in August 2020. There will be total 12 episodes. In this there is a man whose name is Gio, has a special power and has a secret, but he does not know who is he really is, and he is chased by the mysterious persons who know his powers. And then he gets confused and he tries to find out the answer to the numerous questions that surround him. And another girl has the girl whose name is Goryum is a detective. When she decides that she wants to do something, she will do it no matter what. But her parents disappear when she was only a young child. The Goryum chases after the truth behind her parent disappearance. She met the Geo and her life changes, and also his also life changes, and how they've got the answers to the numerous question, and also the release, the suspense, the mystery behind many things. So this also going to be released in August. After that we have the Silent Sea or the Sea of Silence. The Silent Sea is in a South Korean drama. There will be the total 8 episodes. It will be the science fiction horror thriller drama that is set in the future where the desertification has left the earth with no food and water shortages. Then a special team agent named Yoon Jae. He is the leader of a team played by the Gong Yu, and a soldier from space agency. And he will lead the team, and there will be another agent, a elite agent, a woman agent whose name is a TBA, who is a woman elite agent, and they both will task to find out the mysterious sample from an abandoned research base on the moon. This is going to be science fiction horror thriller drama which will give you many adventurous experiences, and going to be really thriller and horror, and also the surviving drama. So this is also going to be aired in August 2020, and it will be different from another drama which is very sweet or romantic, but this will be the different from that dramas. On number 3 we have Do You Like Brahms. This drama is also a South Korean drama which is going to be released in August 2020. There will be total 16 episodes. It is a music drama. In this is drama about the student at the prestigious music college and their life, and the people in their life. The students who is expressing the lesson, practicing, performing, and a competitive since a very young age, and their parents and teacher who are obsessed with this process. The Park Jun Young started to play a piano when he was 6 years old. He won the prominent competition in the country, and now he is going to ahead to win the world competition. The Che Song is a girl who is a college senior who is currently majoring in a violin performance, but she has been graduated previously as a business major. She has been graduated from a business field, and now she is practicing the violin. Then she entered the same university and again go to the music school after 4 attempts, and now she is 7 years older than her other classmate. And there these two meet, and what happened we will going to watch this whenever it will release in August. On number 2 we have School, the school drama. It is also a South Korean drama. It is the 2020 version of the school series dramas. It tells the story of 18-year-old vocational high school students who are entering the society. The Kim Tae-jin is a boy who is a promising athlete who won the bronze medal at a national sports festival, but he had to quit the sports due to a fatal ankle injury that occurred at the same time as his father's business get bankrupt. He entered a vocational high school. After this every incident, he enters into the vocational high school. His puberty come late. He act and speak like he is all grown up. However, he does not know what to do in front of the girl he likes. He is an innocent high school student who act like a grown up. There is Na Kyum Young, a girl whose father is running a karaoke in the city, and she is transferring to the vocational high school to learn the international cooking. And there is the Lee Yoon Jung, another girl. She has a one-sided love for Kim Tae-jin. Her parents are the owner of the restaurant, and they sent her to the US when she was young for education. However, she is the victim of a severe racial discrimination, and that caused her to have a bad change in personality. She was transferred to the high school in Korea. These three people life and the people in their life. And this is based on the novel Oh My Boys, which is published by Yoon, which is going to be released this drama in August 2020. On number 1, we have Love Alarm Season 2. The Love Alarm Season 1 was very big hit, which was released in the Netflix. We all know that. This is going to be released on 22 August 2020. It is a romance comedy school youth South Korean drama series which is based on a popular webtoon. A school student love triangle between Kim Jo-jo, a girl, and Lee Hye-young and Hong Soo-oh, two boys. The two childhood friend has romantic feelings for the same girl. This drama is about the telephone application, the app which is informing the user who is interested or like them when the person is within the 10 meters area of that person, and many other twists and turns takes place whenever she get the love alarm, and how everything goes with the flow. Go and watch. We are going to watch this drama when it is going to be released in August 22 August 2020. This is going to be the fantasy love romance friendship drama, and we are going to surely love this drama because season 1 was also very amazing. So these are all drama which are going to be released in August 2020, and we are